How to fix your request is pending on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to fix your request is pending on Instagram over here, first of all, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, all you need to do is launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram application. As you can see on the screen, there is no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Instagram application. So now we're going to go back and make a long press on Instagram application and then tap on app info. As I tap on app info, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it and then here you can clear the cache. If it's possible, you can delete all data as well. After that, all you need to do is make a long press on the power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device, and you need to just relaunch the application, and then this might help you fix the issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.